Hey, yeah, it's time for the introduction. So, my name is Siddhant Sinha and I'm from India. I'm currently a chemical engineering student. Now, I'll be looking opportunities for my career. But I also interested in teaching students physics and mathematics and chemical engineering. Since the India is booming in the sector of engineering, I want to share my knowledge which I gained by studying in one of the top universities in India. And this tool is very much important or necessary or can make the things easy for a content creator. So thank you, Laila, for sharing this opportunity with us to get the membership of this app. Thank you.
Autosave. You've got to turn autosave on. You're not going to believe how many hours of editing work I lost because my project crashed and I forgot to save. To make sure your autosave is on, go to the Edit tab and select Preferences. You can also open the Preferences window by pressing Control, comma. In the Program tab, place a check mark right here. This is going to enable the autosave feature. Here on the right, you can specify how often you want to save the file. I'm going to set mine to every 1 minute. Down here, you can open the autosave folder. So whenever you want to grab your autosaved file, it's going to be right here. If you try to open a